Hi, welcome back to my workshop. I want to do the quick video on closing up this setting on the piece that we were soldering. That's a complex soldering video, and I'm now compressing the fine silver around the stone. So I've done sort of one side and started to take in the slack here. Now it's a question of, because it's fine silver, it's extremely malleable. That's why we use it for settings. And it's a question of it compressing in on itself. It's very plastic, so you don't get any pleats. Just steadily kind of roll it. Don't work one area too much. Work the whole deal. You're just coaxing. Good word. This is a very deep setting. Don't know why I did it so high. Quite like it. I think once it's polished it'll be cool. So you see how this is coming in. If you actually cut through this setting once it's set, this top edge would be thicker than the bottom because it's compressing on itself. It's plastic. I'm kind of rolling it, and then you can almost like peeling an apple. Look, start pressing in. It's a question of coaxing. See? I've cut out this this hole in the back to show the druzy, because the druzy quartz has got the piece coming through. So here it's taking shape. It needs to be finished, polished, and I'll show you that when it's in its finished state. Hope you enjoyed that. Always set your stones with fine silver. Bye bye.